Hey guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week we will be doing another tasting video, Easter edition. Now with everything going on in the world, it's important to keep your spirits up and still do something fun, like baking. But I also understand that it's not that easy for everyone to go to the store and go buy a bunch of ingredients. That's why I decided this week to do a mug cake. It's super easy and you only need a few ingredients. Usually you can already find them in your pantry or in your fridge. This week I will taste a bunch of chocolate Easter bunnies, and depending on which one's my favorite, I will turn it into a mug cake. Now without further ado, let's get eating. Now the first one I want to try is this Malteser Bunny. Let's give it a go. So here you guys can see, this is a nice big bunny and it's actually a really cute shape. Let's give it a try. Just to make sure. This is really delicious. So it says that it is milk chocolate with a malt filling and honeycomb pieces. Super delicious. Really enjoy this one. Next I'm going to try the KitKat Easter Bunny. Very cute, lots of detail, and I don't know if you guys can see, but on the little paws it says KitKat. Really cute, but there is a very big size difference between the Malteser Bunny and the KitKat Bunny. But let's give it a try. Ooh, this is good. I'm supposed to have a poker face, right? So it says it's mini milk chocolate bunnies with rich chocolatey center and crunchy wafer pieces. So that's really nice. Usually with the KitKat, you have that big wafer in the middle, but this one has a bunch of tiny ones. And I think it's actually better than the original. Okay, the last one I'm going to try is the Cadbury Bunny with vanilla mousse, and it's from the movie Peter Rabbit 2. Let's give it a try. Okay, so this is also a nice big bunny and it has a lot of detail. Very nice. Let's taste. Oh, this is really tasty. The vanilla mousse is really nice, but I will say this is very, very sweet compared to the other ones, but still pretty good bunny. Now before I make my final decision, I wanted to ask you guys, how do you eat an Easter bunny? Do you start with the ears, with the feet, or do you just bite anywhere? Now they were all super delicious, but I think the Cadbury one was a little bit too sweet for me. Still enjoy it, but a little bit too sweet. So that means it's between the Malteser Bunny and the KitKat Bunny. They're both so delicious and they both have crunchy bits in the inside. But my favorite, even though it's super tiny, is the KitKat Easter Bunny. So if you guys want to see me take this Easter Bunny and turn it into a mug cake, keep watching. And if you have to stay home and you're craving something sweet, why not try this mug cake? You can also take a photo and tag me on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get baking. Okay, so choose your favorite mug, add your butter, chocolate, and don't forget the cute KitKat bunnies. Melt in the microwave, remember to stir. Then we're going to add our egg and mix well. Add castor sugar and vanilla. Then we're also going to add flour and baking powder. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. And lastly, we're going to add a little bit of milk. Cook in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. To decorate, I added a little bit of whipped cream, but you can use any topping you like. Smooth it over and then add some chocolate chips. Final touch, our KitKat Bunny. And there you guys have it. I really hope you guys give this mug cake a try. It really made me feel a lot better. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Have fun baking!